In this video, I'm challenging myself to take on one design brief with 3 different deadlines, one being 6 seconds, 6 minutes, and then 60 minutes. Now, the design brief is basically a desk organizer that absolute minimum needs to be a pencil pot, and that's going to come in handy for the 6-second one. For the 6 minutes and 60 minutes, I have many extra features to add into it. I've got a phone stand that you can charge in, be able to hold post-it notes, be able to have a drawer within it, be able to hold a USB, SD, and micro SD, and anything else that I can think of. With the design brief now covered, let's jump straight into this challenge. So here we are in Blender, and the first one is only 6 seconds. To give myself the smallest chance of actually even making something here, my default cube is set to 10 centimeters. But with that said, I'm pretty much just going to do a simple little pot. So let's see what we can do in 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Making myself a cube, going in here, inset by 2, extrude, -95, there. I think that was it. I'll go check it out. And if I did get it in 6 seconds, we're going to move on to the next one, which will be 6 minutes. I looked over the footage and it looks like I made it by the skin of my teeth. Now the 6-minute challenge. To help me out here, I've got 2 post-it notes. One has the design brief. The other one has a couple of dimensions like the angle my phone should be in, what a USB is, and all of that stuff. Anyway, now let's jump straight into Blender and design whatever it is I'm going to be making. So here we are. We got 6 minutes on the clock. I have no idea what I'm about to make, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, just a quick think, pencil pot, phone stand, go from there. So we're gonna create a cube. I need this cube to be 10 centimeters because 10 centimeters is pretty much your standard pencil pot. Oh, my view is a little bit weird here, so let's just quickly deal with that here. Let's just whack that up like that. Brilliant. Then here, I know that my phone is 80 wide. Yep, 80 wide. So let's go 85 wide on the Y, just so it's got a little bit more to it. We're going to apply the scale here, and then I want to let's just go, and I'm trying to think, how am I going to adapt the phone stand into this part of it? I'm going to just go into edit mode. We're going to add a loop cut. We're going to go down here, then we're going to go GZ 15 millimeters up. I think 15 millimeters, maybe not 15 millimeters. Yeah, 15. Stick with 15. That's a good number. So we're going to go here. Then I'm going to go with my CAD transforms. Going to go with a rotation from this point to this point along the Y. And this one, I've already set it 32.5. I did a little bit of research to make sure that I found a number that I like there. So that's 32.5. So we need something for my phone to actually stand on. So let's extrude this out. Am I going to extrude this out like that? Yeah, let's undo, redo here. Yeah, I'm going to extrude this out, and my phone is 12, so I'll go for 15 because I'm about to do another little rotation here. From here to there, again on the Y, we're going to go for 32.5 on the minus. We'll add a little loop cut right there. Then we'll bring this one, GZ from there to there. Yep, and I'm all right with that, but let's bevel that. Let's give that. Select everything, merge by distance to remove those doubles that we got going on. This is still not even a pencil pot, and we've only got 3 minutes. So let's delete this face, select everything, Shift D and Alt S, scale this in by -3, press S again. Then let's go loop cuts. Let's select this, edge, bridge, edge loops. Brilliant. I'm not too happy with how that edge is coming out though, so let's select that. Rotate this from the edge center from there. Oops, I missed that. Edge center to edge center. Yep, on the Y, we're going to go up and meet with you. Double check that you are the same as well. Edge center to edge center on the Y. And what's happened here? Y. Thank you. And we're going to that there. So that should, yep, that's looking good. Okay, so we got pencil pot, we got a phone stand. We've got to add now the extra bit. So let's go back into edit mode. Extra bit. That was key for Yeah, words are hard right this minute. So G, am I on the right one on this one here? I am indeed. Z, let's go down by 12. Let's E, no, not E, undo that last one, redo that, select face, this one, extrude you out by 10. Then let's grab this edge here. Let's bevel that because we're going to make this 3D printable. Select everything, merge by distance once again. Then we've got to add some USB holes right here. We've got 2 minutes left. We can do this. Come on. So USB, that is 13 by 5 by 9. Yes. And now I'm going to go and apply the scale. We'll rotate this by 90, and then we're gonna go to here, array U by 2. We're gonna go by that, apply that. We've got CAD transforms back on. G, we're gonna go face center to this face center. Think that's looking good. I've got 1 minute left. What's going on here? Why is that? Why are you not working for me? Let's just do a quick clean up, see that everything is going. There we go. Select all, shift. There we go. There we go. That was what was going on there. You should now work. You do work. Brilliant. So we've got USBs in there. It's looking pretty good. I don't know if I can add anything else to this in 57 seconds. So let's see. What can I'm not too happy with this super sharp corner here. So let's bevel that in by 2 millimeters, I think would go quite nicely. Yeah, that's looking better. And then anything else that I want to sort out? No, I think that is as much as I can do. I've got 30 seconds on the clock. Maybe we should add some bevels to this because, you know, everything looks better with bevels and chamfers. So let's select you here and let's chamfer you up by 1 millimeter. And that is looking decent. Let's grab you, chamfer you up by 3 millimeters. And select everything, merge by distance. That should be as good as we're going to get. It's a pencil pot, it's a phone stand, and USB storage in 6 minutes. I'm all right with that. Now a quick message from Thangs. As you probably already know, Thangs is a community for 3D enthusiasts with over 6.7 million free files for you to search and download. Additionally, they're listening to your feedback and adapting. You wanted a Thingiverse importing tool? Done. You wanted better search and hashtag support? Also done. Plus, they offer 2-factor authentication. All your passwords are completely encrypted, individually salted, and then stretched, so you know you're safe with Thangs. So go and check out what Thangs is getting up to next by using the link down in the description. By using that link, you're not only just checking out Thangs, but you're supporting me to make more videos like these. And for that, thank you. Now jumping straight into 60 minutes. Now, you're not going to be watching all of this. That's going to be exclusive for patrons, but you're going to get a lovely time lapse of what I'm making here. My patrons are going to get all the little tips and things while I'm making this. So 1 hour on the clock. 3, 2, 1, go. there we have it. I hope you enjoyed that and you found it useful. I know I definitely found this a great success. I did not expect to make something quite so useful so quickly. And don't get me wrong, I do not think you do product design in just an hour. There's definitely edits that I need to do to this. For instance, in the Patreon version, you saw that this is completely flat. Well, it's because I couldn't get my finger in there that it is bent out now. So I had to heat it up and bend it out. So I'll do a little edit before I upload it. And also, if you have more than one stack of pens right this minute back here, the phone's going to lean on it, and that's not great. So this back wall is going to get a little edit just to be tilted out just a smidge so that doesn't happen in the future. But apart from that, this turned out great. If I lost you while I was making all of this and I was going too quickly, don't worry. I have an entire free course and that's linked down in the description. Or if you want to really kickstart your designing for 3D print design within Blender, I have a paid course that's coming out really soon. So go check that out. That's linked down in the description. A huge thank you to my patrons. You guys are absolutely awesome, and without you guys, I would not be able to do Maker Tales. And if you're enjoying what I'm making here and you think I'm worthy of your support, I would love to see you there too. Don't forget that we have a Discord, and that's linked down in the description. Thank you for watching, keep making, and let the quest continue.